Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to deposit money into your Exness account. Firstly, sign into your Exness account, then click on the deposit button on your dashboard. Select from bank card, e-wallet, bank transfer, or cryptocurrency. Type in the amount you want to deposit and fill in the necessary details such as your card number, e-wallet info, or even if you are using the bank transfer, you gotta fill the bank information. Then cryptocurrency, if you want to do it, just make sure you're sending from Binance or a reputable place. Fill in the necessary details, then double check the details and confirm the deposit. Just a tip, processing times may vary by payment method, so check Exness for fees and limits. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.